friction can cause electric charge. And that's exactly what happened when I touched this balloon and try to discharge it through friction. I may actually have charged it. If I take these party balloons that all of you may have seen, and you just rub them on your shirt, on your trousers, they stick to my hand. They have charge on them, whether it's positive or negative, I don't know, I don't even remember, it's not important. And so when I bring them to my hand is not a good conductor. But you get induction, this phenomenon that we just discussed. And so the two attract each other. The positive and the negative side attract each other. And you can stick them on the ceiling, or you can stick them on the board. You can decorate your room that way. Very pretty, isn't it? All of that you can do now because of 802. Now, these heavy balloons may be a little bit more difficult. Also, I'm wearing cotton. If you wear nylon or polyester, it's much better. It's much easier to get... Oh, that's good. That's a nice one. I think we need a blue one. There we go. So you see, friction causes electricity. That's, of course, why the silk, when we rub the glass, and the cat fur, we rub the rubber, then we create charge on one. Of course, if you make the glass positively charged, your silk will be automatically negatively charged. When you comb your hair, you may have noticed with dry weather that you hear some cracking noise. Cracking noise means sparks. And you will learn all about sparks in this course, though not today. But you can hear it if you're very quiet. And as you do that, you charge the comb. I can hear the cracking. Interesting. So the comb is now charged, probably, so am I. And there it comes. You see? It's not as good as the glass, but same idea. If you take your shirt off and you make it dark in your dormitory, and you stand in front of a mirror, an amazing experience. And I'd be happy to do it for you because, but I told you I already wear cotton and it doesn't work with cotton so well. You really have to do it with a nylon shirt. And when you take that nylon shirt off, not only do you hear the cracking, but you actually see the glow of these teeny, really little sparks. You actually are like a light bulb. It is an experiment that you cannot miss. And I would suggest you try that this weekend. And do it with a friend, that's even more fun. We all perhaps remember when you just walk around, do your normal things during the day. There are rugs in rooms, and you want to leave the room, and you touch the doorknob, and you get a shock. It's a spark that flies over. That's the electricity. Even when you touch a person, you sometimes feel this shock. When you cook, and you take saran wrap of these rolls, the damn stuff just doesn't want to come off, because as you roll it off, there is friction, and it gets charged, and it often gets crumbled up. And it's very bad, very difficult to handle it. You've all experienced that. Also, cellophane around boxes with chocolate, the same thing happens. As you take it off, you charge it, whether you like it or not.